Okay, this is a level crossing, and that is Upper Hutt Station. This is the last of the level crossings that I needed to film on the Hutt Valley Line. Now the train's just gone through because the crossing went down just as I was getting here, so I'm filming this bit that I would normally film first. I'm filming afterwards. So this is another particularly old crossing. We've still got two original Griswold Barriers in operation. We also have the original Griswold Light mountings on either side, same on the other side there, but they have been retrofitted with LEDs. However, we do have an extra set of lights on this side, which are Montrose of Penrose LED lights. You can see the back there. They are definitely Montrose of Penrose lights. And these lights are here for that little driveway down there. But the bells have been upgraded. Here we've got Western Cullen Hayes E-Bells. They've had Western Cullen Hayes E-Bells for as long as I've known this crossing. And to be honest, they may have even been replaced with more Western Cullen Hayes E-Bells since then. I don't know. But these are on the quiet setting, which is understandable. We're surrounded by houses here. And they've got the slower ring on them as well. So this has clearly been updated at some point. But yep, so let's wait for a train, or rather let's wait for that train to turn around and go back to Wellington again. So it's only single track here, as you'll notice, but then it splits there into two tracks, so you can have two trains in, as well as being the Hutt line. The Wire Upper line also comes through here. So beyond, if you keep going beyond Upper Hutt, beyond where the electrification ends, then you're on the Wire Upper line at that point. But we'll watch from the other side now. So the train has now just switched ends, so it's now getting ready to head back to Wellington. So it'll be the same train that came through a moment ago. This is where the electrification ends, where Hutt Valley Line trains stop. And the lights have just changed on the train. So shortly, the train will be coming back through the crossing again in the other direction.